You are awake. Before the phone. Before the list of everything today wants from you. Stay here a moment longer. The room is still dim. The body is warm under the weight of the blanket. Something in you breathed all night without being asked. It is still breathing now. Feel the air arrive cool. Feel it leave a little warmer. Nothing has gone wrong yet. Nothing is waiting to be fixed yet. So find one thing that is already here, not a thing you should be thankful for. One real thing, the warmth, the quiet, the breath. Rest your attention on it. And let the body answer before the mind does. Kritagya.
Kritagya.
Now lay a hand on your chest. Let it rest there, let it be heavy. Under your palm, a steady knocking. It started before you were born, and it did not pause for the night. The mind will begin soon. It will tell you what is missing. It will tell you what you did not finish. Let it speak. Do not argue with it. And underneath the telling, notice you are already whole this morning. Not finished, not perfect, whole. Nothing has to be added to you before the day starts. Purna, 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 Purna. The day will ask you to want things. That is fine, want them. But feel this first. For the length of one breath, stop the searching. There is nowhere else you need to be standing. This much light, this much air, this much morning. Let it be enough. Not forever, just for now. Santosha, 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 Santosha. Here, full, enough.